Do you guys admire technology around you? Would you like to know what's hot and new in the tech market that may fit in your budget? Would it be worth buying or investing in that product? How useful will that product be to me if I buy it? If the answer to these questions is yes, you are in the right place. Hi, this is Divit Tech and my name is Bharat Ahuja. A little bit about me. I used to be a model and actor back in old days. I know my friends are still laughing there when they hear this because now they call me a vintage model. Anyways, I left my modeling career after I finished my masters in computers and joined a software firm. I worked in IT for 15 years, became a senior architect, but I couldn't lose that passion for glamour and media in me. So I thought of bringing my glamour world knowledge, my technical expertise, and the presentation skills all in one place. And since I have the charm of buying and trying new tech devices and gadgets, on this YouTube channel I'll be sharing my reviews, tips, tricks and recommendation with you guys. So if you guys would like to learn, see and know about these products that I'm going to unbox and review, this is the right time for you. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified about my future videos. So question for the day: do you guys like to see an unboxing and review in a single video, or do you prefer to see an unboxing video separate from a detailed review video? Add your comments down below so that I can update my videos and edit them and upload them accordingly. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and see you guys in my next videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.